The Denver Broncos win on Thursday Night Football in a very ugly fashion. Yeah, the Broncos are 8-2, but they don't look like an 8-2 team. Bo Nix completed 16 passes on 28 attempts for 150 yards with a 57.1 completion percentage, 1 touchdown, 2 interceptions, and really had a struggle day. Sean Payton's play calling was absolutely a joke today. Jeremy Crawshaw tried to give the Las Vegas Raiders the game. Moral of the story is the Denver Broncos offense needs to really get it together. The Denver Broncos defense is the best unit in the NFL. Broncos defense in the first half had 5 sacks, 1 turnover on downs, and 7 points allowed. The Broncos defense in the second half had a 72.7 pass rush win rate, 1 interception, and 4 completions allowed. JL Skinner should get the game ball. He made the biggest play of the game. It was great to see special teams make a play. The Denver Broncos are sitting at 8-2, the 1 seed in the AFC, first place in the AFC West, and what can I say? That feels pretty good. The Broncos got a generational defense. If they can just clean up penalties and get this offense going, this team can definitely compete for the big game.